Why, hello there. Today, we're using the phrasal verbs arguments against versus arguments for. This is Business English, and I'm Teacher Georgia. Arguments against and arguments for can be used when referring to a topic, a discussion, and an argument. Let's focus a little bit more on arguments against. This is a negative view on the topic being discussed. For example, what are your views on pollution? I am personally against this act as I believe we are destroying our environment this way. Moreover, we are the ones that really suffer the consequences. So, what are your views? Tell me below. Now let's look at arguments for. This is a positive view on any topic being discussed. For example, how do you feel about abortion? I understand the sentiments those against it feel, as some consider it a form of murder. However, I cannot see abortion as murder if I don't see life. Abortion should be a woman's choice, as she has to deal with this decision for the rest of her life. I know you have your own views, and I'd like to hear it. Tell me below. Never use arguments for or arguments against when measuring advantages in a discussion. For example, my argument for abortion is for it. That's not a good sentence. This is a good one. I am for abortion. This is a good sentence. You can, however, categorize by just listing them under the correct heading. As we know, arguments for falls under advantage, while arguments against falls under disadvantage. And here's a little diagram below. As you can see, arguments for is under advantage along with pro, which is also under advantage. We could also put positive, which is also under advantage. And then under disadvantage, we have arguments against, con, we could put negative, and so on. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye.